Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and wanted to talk about a little something for a lot of you. A lot of people have smartphones, and one of the things that smartphones have, and a lot of them have it, is a FM radio chip. For a lot of us, data is costly. That means streaming music, streaming a radio station from, the internet is, of course, costing data all the time. So there's, of course, in a lot of devices, a FM chip. Problem is, it's not always activated. It's not always working. And that's where you can actually check it out and also check out if your phone either is supported or will eventually be supported. So here's the thing. There's an app for Android called NextRadio. This app is what can enable the FM chip. Now, NextRadio can stream radio stations from the internet, but also it has ability to actually have the FM chip working on your phone. Now, in order for this to work, if you have the FM chip enabled on your phone, remember that your earphones needs to be plugged in because they act as an antenna for the FM signal. So, NextRadio app is what you need to do and download from the Google Play Store. Now, how to know if you got an FM chip, if your FM chip is enabled or not? Here's the thing. When you go to Next, and I'll post the link to this website, nextradioapp.com, there's a link here at the top that says FM chip. When you click here, you will be sent to the FM chip, and it will list of phones. And here you have the list of all the phones that have an FM chip in them. And this list is for the United States, but it also might work for other countries. But remember one thing. The chips for the United States are not always enabled in other countries. So you choose whatever you have. For example, here, unlocked Galaxy S8 Plus. You can click here and see if you're part of what you will have in there. You can of course choose what is unlocked or remove what is unlocked. So you just choose whatever device you've got. Now, the other thing, if you don't see it in the list here, just download the app and install it and see if it's compatible, if it works. If it actually works, you'll actually have a tuner available that you can tune in through the frequencies of the FM band and listen to their favorite stations. It's cool because it doesn't consume any data. I have a Galaxy S9 Plus phone, and actually, here in Canada, the unlocked version just got that FM chip enabled. And I installed the Next Radio app, and it works great. I can actually tune to the FM band, which is really nice. And, it's cool because you can listen to radio without having to stream anything. One of the things to be careful when you do use the app, make sure that you go in the settings. The app has two modes, FM radio plus streaming of your favorite FM radio stations. That means in times where signal might be weaker, it might actually start streaming from your data instead. You can disable this and make sure that it only makes you listen to the radio through the FM signal. So check it out, and hopefully your phone might have that FM chip. Check it out. It's something that a lot of phones have. And you know what? In emergency times, even if you don't listen to radio, in emergency times when there's no power, when there's or even worse, in real big emergencies where your cell phone doesn't work anymore, no more internet streaming, nothing, you can at least listen to the radio, which I think is a bare minimum to stay safe when something bad is happening, when the weather goes crazy and everything drops. So check it out, NextRadio. The link is in the description below the video, and hopefully you have FM radio on your smartphone. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.